Good morning, class. Welcome to today's lecture. And today, according to your timetable, you have English language. So, in the previous videos, we have completed chapter 1 in bookwork and copy. We have done chapter 1 bookwork and copy work. We have also done letter writing, the explanation of letter writing, and the copy work also we have done. Next, we have done the explanation of unseen passage and essay writing. Okay, so these are the things that we have covered so far, and today we'll be doing synonyms and antonyms. This work which I am giving you, you have to do in your English language copy. Okay, in synonyms you have to, on page number 136, you have to do this work from abandon to courteous. This you have to do in your English language copy only. So this is chapter 20, vocabulary, synonyms, see page number 136. This is from abandon to courteous. The words, so this line, the entire line you have to do in your English language copy. Abandon, abnormal, abrupt, abolish, abound, adequate, aggressive, alien, anguish, appetite, altitude, authentic, awful, awkward, banish, boon, brutal, built, seize, caution, captive, chaos, celebrated, collision, comprehend, commence, conquest, and courteous. After this, from new page you have to do antonyms. Okay, in antonyms, from page number, you have to do from page number 137 and 130. You have to copy the thing in your English language copy. Okay, from page number 137, from and to ascend, and from page number 138, from bashful to defective. See, this is page number 137. So add to ascend. Okay, add, abundance, acknowledge, affirmative, alive, angel, agree, ally, attract, ascend. And on page 138, this bashful, bow, better, blessing, bravery, broad, cheap, comic, care, celestial, comedy, compulsory, consent, create, course, contract, credit, dawn, debtor, despair, disease, diligent, diminish, dream, dynamic, and defective. Okay, so this thing you have to copy in your English language copy. And since we have done the composition writing also, so this is the composition that you have to write in your English language copy. This is the your homework, influence of internet on children. Okay, this you have to write in your English language copy. I'll be sharing the PDF of um, this composition that you have to write in your English language copy. Okay, till here you have to write, till here. Okay, so I hope you all are safe from coronavirus pandemic, and you are following the guidelines of the government also. So children, there is some important announcement for you. Like today is the last video that you are getting of all the subjects. After this, for this entire week, you will get only PDF of different subjects. No homework will be given to you. Okay, and in this you will be uh, doing today's work, and after this you'll be only getting the PDFs with instructions that you have to do in your um, class of copies only of different subjects according to your timetable only. Okay, so one more announcement for you, like from next week, that is from 8th July, you will have your summer vacations. From 8th June, from 8th June you will have your summer vacations. Your summer vacation will be from 8th June to 5th July. Okay, and on 6th July your school will reopen. That is also dependent on the government's guidelines. If the government allows to reopen the school in the month of July, so from the date the government allows you all, the government allows us to open the school, on that day the school will reopen. And if the government doesn't allow us to open the school in the month of July, so you will be having the online classes again. The online classes will resume from 6th July. Okay, mind it clear, if the government allows us to open school in the month of July, then the school will be reopened. according to the government's guidelines only. But if the government doesn't allow to reopen the school, then your online classes will resume from 6th July. Okay, so in between you will be getting holiday homework, also summer vacation homework, that you have to do in your rough copy. Make one rough register, that some copies you have got, so in that you have to make one rough register and you'll be doing all the work in that only. Okay, thank you all.